me back in another YouTube. You have seen me in a while from Minnesota. My friend Zidon has been saying that my YouTube channel stinks. But guess what? You suck. Oh, you suck so much. So, I'm just watching Gumball right now, but Zidon, you are mean. Okay, and I think that if you agree with me, then comment it in the comment box below, press subscribe to my channel, and like this video all at once. And then all you have to do is just like email me that you did all that stuff. I will believe you. Actually, no, I won't believe you until I look at my YouTube page and then see. So, yeah. Hit the subscribe button, leave comments, and like this video.